We'll guide you through how to create a logo using Paint.net. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Paint.net on your computer. You'll want to start by creating a new image, so go to the File menu and click on New. Set the dimensions depending on the size you want for your logo. A common size is 800 by 800 pixels. You'll see a blank canvas, and from here, you can start designing. To add text, select the Text tool from the toolbar on the left side. Click on the canvas where you want your text, and type in your logo's name or initials. You can adjust the font and size from the top menu to fit your vision. Now, let's add some color. Go to the Colors window, choose your desired color, and use the Paint Bucket tool to fill in any shapes or backgrounds. If you want to add shapes, go to the Shapes tool and select from rectangles, circles, or any custom shapes available. Click and drag on the canvas to create these shapes. To make your logo more dynamic, consider adding layers. Go to the Layers menu and select Add New Layer. This lets you work on different parts of your logo separately, which is great for organizing your design elements. You can adjust the opacity of each layer to create a more sophisticated look. Once you're happy with your logo, go to the File menu and click Save As. Choose the format you want, like PNG for a transparent background, and save it to your desired location. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.